Lloyd has been training Lady for 6 years, and he was convinced that she would want to follow the practice lure, even in a skydive from 10,000 feet. But it took 6 months intensive training to make her comfortable with this ultimate test.
We'll be carrying this speedometer to get our maximum speed as we fall, and this is the lure that Lady's been trained to pursue and attack, and we're taking it with us.
1 minute warning, we're at altitude now.
Right, let's turn around, Steve. Okay, turn around to our left.
You got it? Yeah.
Where am I going down, Andy?
Crossroads near the 4 buildings. Slowly move your feet round. I couldn't just start skydiving from scratch, so I was strapped to Andy, our skydiving expert. The plan was we'd jump together in tandem, just in case I forgot what to pull and when to pull it.
Are you going down or not?
If you want me to, I will, or you can go now.
A pair of skydivers can exceed 150 miles an hour in free fall, so Lady was going to have to fly faster than that to catch us up.
You're ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Andy,
Okay.
you're ready.
5 seconds.
I'm taking the hood off. Okay, hood is off. Okay, get your feet back in the hood. Lift it up. Wait.
Lloyd won't let us jump until he's absolutely sure Lady is ready to fly.
Wait.
Lady is in charge.
Wait.
We just had to wait.
Wait. Wait. Come on, Lady. Wait. 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 Waggle the lure. Wait. Wait. Camera. Ready. Steady. Go! Go! Bloody hell.
In moments, we were clocking 158 miles per hour. Scary. And Lady, within seconds she'd caught up. She was just playing around us, effortlessly, in complete control. OK, it's not a definitive scientific experiment, but we calculate that to catch us up so quickly, she must have accelerated beyond 180 miles an hour. Phenomenal. Hey! No, I like that. I like that a lot. Magic.
Did you see that?
Magic.
Saw it just as we front looped on exit. Right there in front of us. Brilliant. I noticed she didn't front loop on exit though.
Yeah.
So she might be able to fly well, but she's no style.
She has no style, but she has shed loads of speed. She's well over 3 times faster than a cheetah. There's nothing else that comes even close. Amongst animals that use speed to kill, the peregrine falcon has got to be my ultimate killer. Excellent.